Brim down low, y'all niggas know how I go. Quetta Killer Cash, check me out. I'm putting on for the bitches who thought they could never get it. For the niggas in the hood who thought they could never live it. Selling crack, home invasions, hitting in store runouts. Ducking, dodging all the feds, a nigga was scared to come out. So to keep a level head, I never put the blunt out. Sita said, lay back, relax, and have patience. Wise words from the living, remission of cancer patient. I always worked a 9 to 5 to keep them pigs off me, 'cause they was always on my head and they could be too flossy. So I just stay between the cracks, kinda like a tooth flossing. Rude and ruthless, 'cause the truth is I'm on that cruel shit. Angry birds get knocked down 'cause I'm rising high like fuel did. Fake bitches like Chucky dolls is why I ain't trusting y'all. Shade pussy is how I ball. Middle finger up, like fuck 'em all. Trill niggas salute 'cause it's a commute to get sick in the booth. You bitches beneath me like licking a boot. You niggas can't reach me like gimme a boost. And for my tomboy swag bitches, I'ma be showing proof. Me, I get my cake, my only motivation. Bitches pump your brakes, you get no acceleration. I'm coming for heads like weeds, and that's no hesitation. I get plenty of pussy, no exaggeration. Flipping the works, the basics, times in this money like multiplication. Pops wasn't around, my mom showed me the rope. Trey stories on Donna, Big L showed me the dope. Wrong moves, stick a shoot, they gon' be sawing his throat. The Lord watching over me, that's why I wear the rosary. I live life on the edge, 'cause nigga ain't nobody holding me. Quetta Cash, I'm in the lab. Now watch these hoes start cloning.